Okay, so this is our first practical. We need Apache NetBeans and VS Studio for this. I'll attach the video links for the installation in the description. Okay, so first open your Visual Studios, create new project, filter you have with C Sharp and search for ASP .NET Web Applications. The first one you get ASP.NET Web Applications .NET Framework. Open it, click on it, next. Name your practical. I'll name it practical 1 YT and create. Click on web forms and create. So your project is created. Right click on your practical one, your project name, add new items, search for web service. You get this web service ASMX, click on it, add it. This is the file you get. Now you have to change your file name to whatever you want. Right click on the file, rename it. We'll say convert rs to dlr. Enter. uh, some VS Code will change your name automatically, but mine is not changing it automatically, so I'm doing it manually. So rename your class as similar to what your file name is. Convert rs to dlr, convert rs to dollar, enter. Sorry. Okay, also change your name here. Right, right click, view markup, change your name here. Save it. Open your asmx.cs file, write your code here. This is your code to change rupees into dollar. Save it. Run your file. So it will host your service, server side. Click on service description and it will open your WSDL website. Copy this link, save it in Notepad. We need it for later. Okay. So now open your NetBeans. So create new project, Java Web Application, practical 1 YT. Next, I'm using Apache Tomcat server at Java EE version 8 Web. and finish. Your project is created now. Open your index page and write a code here. Okay. Now go right click on your practical name, select new, select others, search for web services, web service client. Next, paste your WSDL web page, WSDL link here. Finish. Okay, so I suppose so we don't need this. Right click on your project name, click on new JSP, name it new JSP, it's okay. Finish. This will create a JSP page. Clear the body, right click, web service client, call web service operation. Select your select this one, okay. The one with 12 at the end. Select OK, and it will create this template. We have to change some things here. So first we will create. Wait, let me just copy and paste it. So first we will take this. Okay, so it's okay. Now control S, save it. That's it. Our project is done. Now run the service. Enter an amount. We will test with 80 rupees. If it's 80 rupees, we should get rupees one, dollar one as output. Submit. So this is our output. We can edit the HTML page if we want it more decorative. So that's it. Our practical is done. You will get issues in setting up the security path, which I have already set. I will attach the links in the into description. uh, Visit that and configure your software setup. Okay, I'll try to explain a bit of code here. In index.html we write the HTML page. The main thing which was missing in documentation was this method post and new.jsp. Without this, your JSP file will not be connected to your uh, HTML page. Okay, in new.jsp we write what is the function after the result has what is the function that server needs to display. Okay, so okay, so in float D we create a float element that takes txt, the text which we input, and then it converts, it applies the logic which we wrote in VS Code, and then it displays on JSP page. In VS Code, what logic we did was we create a float rs, took parameter rs, divided by 80, and returned the t. So this was what we. This is the server side code. Okay, so that's it. What I know and I can explain. बाकी सब तुम लोग figure out कर लो.